Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and PC. Update the Grab VR app and headset firmware so versions match. This avoids compatibility errors. Next, enable developer mode and USB debugging on the headset so the PC can communicate. Once done, plug a USB-C cable to the headset and choose File Transfer or Debugging when prompted. Make sure the computer recognizes the device. If it doesn't, try a different cable or USB port before proceeding. Don't waste time on reinstalling yet. Now install the Android Debug Bridge tools on your PC and add them to your path so commands work anywhere. Open a command prompt and run a DB devices. You'll see the headset listed once you accept the ADB key on the headset. Then run a DB shell to open a terminal into the headset environment. From here, you can navigate files, check logs, and run commands. Make sure each command completes with expected output before moving to the next step to avoid cascading errors. To finish, elevate permissions only if necessary. Try sue if root is available or grant specific app permissions using PM grant for targeted tasks. Use a DB logcat to stream logs and a DB pull to copy files to your PC for inspection. Once your changes are applied, restart the headset to ensure services reload. If you can't access the terminal, reboot both devices, reauthorize ADB keys, test another USB cable, or use a different PC. These simple fixes resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.